Hi, I'm Jade Edwards, Customer Success Manager at Daizy. In this video, I'm going to show you around the Daizy Mobile App. The app allows you to quickly and easily install and service IoT devices wherever they're being used, and it's available for both Android and Apple iOS. You can find download links in the video description. The home screen of the app is my task inbox. This shows the tasks assigned to me, with a label showing the type of activity. I can also view tasks on a map to help visualize the locations I need to visit. Activity is scheduled from the Daizy portal by project managers, but I can also create tasks within the app using the Add button. I can choose from a range of activities to perform on the device, including battery replacement and device swap out. When I select a task, I see a summary showing the project name and a more detailed view of the location. I can then confirm to start the task. The first step checks that I'm in the right place. In this example, I'm not, so I'm offered an option to get directions, which loads the destination into my navigation app. A benefit of using Daizy is that device stock isn't allocated until the point of installation. The next step shows which type of device I need. I can find any available device of that type from my inventory. I can identify the device by entering the ID or serial number, or by scanning the barcode using the phone camera. Daizy will check that the device I've selected is the correct type. The configuration settings for this position in the project are displayed here. These will have been specified by a project manager based on the data requirements and battery life. When I press the Mount button, a number of things happen to activate and commission the device. Firstly, the network connectivity is activated. This is a LoRa device, so Daizy will enroll it onto the LoRa network server. If it was an NB-IoT device, the SIM would be activated. The device is then mounted to the correct position in the project and moved to a deployed stage, which gets recorded in the audit history for the device. This ensures that the data produced by the device is applied to the correct location in the project. Finally, a downlink message is sent to the device to configure it. If equipment is ever swapped in life, then the same configuration profile will automatically be applied over the air to the new device. A confirmation message is shown when data is received by Daizy. This gives me confidence that the equipment and connectivity are both working. The app can also be used to diagnose device issues in the field. I can scan a device and view recent messages and connectivity status, as well as seeing the audit history for the equipment. For more information on features and functions of the Daizy mobile app, please take a look at our knowledge base. The link is in the video description. The Daizy Customer Success team is available to help you succeed with your IoT projects. If you need to get in touch, you can do so by emailing customer.success@daizy.io. Thanks for watching.